Yo, fellows and fellowettes. Today we're going to go fishing with my buddy Chris. My neighbor buddy that lives over there. It's not even pre-spawn here in central Kansas. Hopefully some fish are moving up. I've been told by some buddies that they are starting to move up into shallow water. So we're going to go out. We're going to definitely have a good time and hopefully catch some fish. Wow. Hopefully catch some fish. I guess I ought to tell you too that we're gonna be fishing. This is my first legit fish video if it pans out. If this sucks, then I'm not gonna put it up, obviously. But if it works out and the fishing is decent, then I'll go ahead and share it with you guys. But we're going to be jumping some ponds, hitting some ponds, trying some ponds, mostly just small ponds. So, here we go now. Try that again. That Cummins though. We got to go pick up Chris to go do some of this here bass fishing with us. It's a long haul. Man, I'll tell you what, Chris lives all the way across town. But, oh, just kidding. There he is right there! Let's do it! Well, the old pond's looking a little low. Oh. But, gonna give her a go. There we go. Yeah, buddy. That's how you started off right there, gosh darn it. First cast. First cast right there. Got that NED rig action. Thanks to Flare. Yeah, buddy. Oh, got another. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. Woo! What? Second cast. Look at him jumping over here, dude. Barely hooked. He was barely hooked. Another small one. We got the dinks going here, but we're catching them. Third cast. We got two. We got a fish both casts. Here we go. Third cast. And that is a gun range over yonder. So I don't think we're getting shot at. No, not that one. Another one on. He's a little better, I think. Nope. Same exact size. Sucker swallowed it there. Another little dinker. Pretty muddy water. You can tell they're a grayer fish. Oh man. Holy shite. Trekking through the wilderness. You good? You hear that fish? Dude, I can hear that fish jumping. Yeah. God. We are currently tracking down this fish that keeps jumping over here. Holy cow, I made it. So this is the inlet to a creek where the pond meets. We made it through the freaking jungle. Here we are. This big bass is right here. I'm sure he'll jump here real soon. Big old dog. Well, that didn't work. Make our way back to mess with this pole. which is very easy. Let me tell you what. Oh boy. Goodness. Holy smokes. What are you doing down there? Ned rigging's cheating, man. I'll tell you what. Well, you want to go back, hit the front of this thing one more time and move. 10-4. Oh yeah. There you go, right there. Huh? Well, what do you think? We moving spots?
Yeah. I think we're biting here.
I'm gonna throw that Ned rig one more time right here, and I'm done.
Good.
Oh, it's way out there. Hey, along the bank. Get closer to the bank. There we go. Little guy. Tell you what, on slow days, cold water, that Ned rig at least keep you catching some fish. Yeah, buddy. 4. Well, we are at our second spot, and this place is filled with moss. This is a little struggle over here. Water is really clear over here. What's up, guys? Sorry that ended so abruptly, but as you could tell, the fishing really started to fall off in a hurry as the afternoon progressed. So I decided to just cut her off right there. But if you made it this far through that dink fest, dude, for real, thanks for sticking around through that awful fishing adventure. Whew. But you know what, that was my first bass fishing outing of the year, and I can't complain. I'll catch dinks all day. I don't care. I don't care. As long as I'm still catching something, I'm good to go. So I'm not trying to act like I know anything, by no means. This is my first year really hitting bass fishing. I'm a big hunter, big catfisher, like I've told you before, but I don't claim to know hardly jack about this sport. I'm trying to get in it and learning as quickly as I possibly can. So needless to say, going out on this first outing, beforehand I didn't know what the hell I was doing, you know. It's still cold, the water's still cold. Got all this learning and talk about pre-spawn, spawning, the whole 9. So I text Fleur, I'm like, dude, this is where I'm fishing. It's gonna be a little dirty. What the heck do I use just to catch some fish? He said, use that Ned rig, son. So that's what I did, and it worked. But my Ned rig was kind of the ghetto version Ned rig. Everything they had, or anything that they had at Walmart, which isn't the best. It's kind of, you know, gold hooks on the... I couldn't find the right stuff. They're out of a lot of crap. Yeah, I need to hit up somewhere a lot better than that, but anyways, you get the hint. I didn't know jack. But anyways, if you like the fishing vids, please hit that like button for me, man. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.